Hello there, welcome back to this video. We're going to be talking about pretty much how I messed up. Yeah, I messed up many times and I keep messing up around and it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating, you know, when thing goes well and then you mess around. Okay, so let me show you what I have. So I've purchased an account on Alphatrader and it was an instant funded account of 10k. Okay, now let me show you the trade. So these are the trades I placed. Now first trade placed was lost, I think. Okay, second trade place was lost, and then I came back, and then I lost again. Okay, now let me break it down. Let me break down the trade for you. So if we go down, I think here there's more details. So gold and silver, both them, and both of them were lost. UJ, both of them were lost. UJ buy with both of them were lost, and then I went for a short. Okay, and this one hit TP, as you can see there, and this was a very good trade there. Two lot size, of course. Okay, much a bit higher. And Chef was buy, lost this one, and then entered for a short because this was working for a short, and then this brought my account back up, which is very good. So managed to bring the account, let's say, to 999 there, as you can see, went down a little bit. So yeah, the account's up. Okay, I think I also did lose a trade somewhere. Let me see if I can have the date. Closing date 21/21/21. Okay, here we go. Alright, so yeah, so I won this one, so brought the account up. So the account was up this much, yeah. So $200, and then the good thing with this one, the good thing with this prop firm is they give you 90%, 90% of the money. And then I did lost on gold, yeah, and I was trading in. Now one thing I didn't know is on this account. Let me see if I have it somewhere. Overview. On this account, let me just write down. So apparently, on the on one pair, so one pair. Okay, that's bad. Let me use green. So one pair. So one pair that we are trading. So we can't lose more than 1%. So if we lost 1%, then it is a hard breach. It is a hard breach. Yeah. And what ended up happening was, and they counted as, I think they counted as the equity. I think it's equity. I think the equity because what happened was, I was on the trade. I was on the short again on Chef, and Chef went against me, and I was holding the trade, and it went against me to 1%. No, I think I already had got a loss on this, isn't it? I think I did got a loss on it. Maybe not. Yeah, I think 20. Okay, it's not there for some reason anyway. Yeah, so I took a loss on that, and then I went for a short on Chef, and then it went against me or 1%. So I was in the trade. Okay, and I'll show you how much was 20. So we've got the trade here. We've got the chart. So 20 was around. 20 was here. So around here. So market went up. Okay, market went up. So 20. No, it was 21. The Friday was trading. Trading Friday. So Friday came in. So you can see, I think it was around maybe here somewhere. And price went against me 1%. And then it took me out. So it just took me out, and then it just breached my account. So you can say he's breached my account. And then I contacted support on Discord. They told me, apparently you can't 1%. No, you can't do that. Even though it tells you the maximum loss is 500. The daily loss is 300, but you can't lose more than 1% on one account. And then I was like, hey, where is this? I can't find it. Yeah, that's a bit strange. Yeah, so I couldn't find anything at all on that one, and unless they have to tell me. Let me just pause and go back and find out. Yeah, because if you look at my move here, so daily lost 4%, 14, Maximum loss. Yeah, I'm within the limit. I'm within the limit. I haven't lost. It's just the fact that it's 1%, and I can't find the 1%. Let me just find it again. Okay, so I'm currently on the website. It says here trading target 1, a limited. Okay, leverage. Again, daily loss is 3%. I can't find anything about 1%. Let me see. Maybe FQA. Okay, why haven't I breached the rules? I need to start again. Yeah, I know that. I need more details. Payout rules, trading rules. Maybe this one. Trading the weekend. Inactivity rules. Maximum loss side drawdown. Maybe this one. Okay, that's 6%. Consistent rules. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this is where the thing is. Yeah, for instant trading. Okay, I need to go into the FAQ to work it out. So it's not on the main page. When you buy the account, it's not there. So I got told by the support moderator in the Discord. Otherwise, I would have no idea. And then I lost it. I lost it first, and then tried to find out. Now it says here, traders can lose more than -1% of their account. Okay, so you can't lose this. It's not just on one trade. It's just pretty much you can't lose this one. Exceeding this amount will result in hard breach. The rules for each individual. If you purchase this of balance, this 1% would be $1,000. Okay, is that to help people? Yeah, I mean 3% daily drawdown is gone, but 1%, yeah, it's very strict. It's very strict. So 1% you can actually see here, 1%. And so now I don't think I'm gonna do anything with it for 1%. I mean, let me go check if there's anything else for the other thing. Okay, so they have a daily drawdown 6%. Daily drawdown start in the day. Okay, balance equity. So mostly not balance, going to be equity. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty much the floating one because my loss was still floating. It was not realized. Okay, so my loss was still floating, not realized. Okay, yeah. So okay, so this system will terminate it automatically. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, so that was part of Alphatrader. Okay, and then what I also have is an account, a live account on icmarket. So I have another one on icmarket, and then what ended up happening was so this is gone. Yes, this is gone. Yeah, just put a cross there. So this is pretty much gone. Yeah, and then will I purchase instant account? Yes, 1% is a bit too much. So maybe not. Maybe not from them. Maybe not from them. Okay, so let me go back. Now what we have here is I have an account on icmarket. So let me just write down icmarket. I have an account on icmarket, and so icmarket. Okay, and what happened is on Friday I caught this move. Very nice, and I was able to grow the account by 2 times. Yeah, so that was a big move that I caught. Nicely able to catch this whole move there, and I brought the account back up again. Okay, it was very good. Now what happened today is pretty much this account got blown. The account got blown, and it is my fault. It is my fault. I have the one to blame myself. Okay, why? Is because of the following. Because of flowing. Let me show you on the lower time frame. Okay. Now what we have here is we have the 50% of Friday that's been created. So we got the Friday high, Friday low being created, and then we got this one. Okay. Now price displays above, so we can see the bulls coming in the market. However, the bulls were not able to pierce this level, this 50%, once and then twice again, and then we fell down. So this causes a change of character. Okay. Now what we have now, and I was like, okay, so we have a change of character. So I use my fib from here to here to go, and I was like, okay, where are we going to be selling? So we have this big fair value gap there, which we're going to be selling off. And then what happened is price tap into this one. I was like, oh, okay, price tap into this one. And then it started falling, which is good. I was in the trade, and my TP was this liquidity low there. Okay, the liquidity low. And what ended up happening is it ended up reversing against me. Okay, And the problem is I was not using, again, my problem is, I'll write it down so I know. So problem, okay, so what were wrong? So wrong, okay, so pretty much no risk management. I'll say this one, okay. I was using 2 lot size, I was using 1 lot size, and so on pretty much. I was using, so they have no risk management. So this is my fault again, no risk management, and this was personal fund as well. So the pain is much higher. So lost this one, okay, lost this one. So all the gain was gone. So all the gain was gone, and then again here. So at this point, I tried to short again, once against me, and then here I started shorting. I was in profit, was profit, was profit, was profit, was profit, was profit. So it was in very good profit. So this brought my account pretty much back to break even, like slightly below, but I was fine. And then I was saying, okay, so now we have momentum coming into the market. So this was New York session, and then I was okay. Still going to go that, and no, what happened was price reversed upwards, and then you can actually see took me out completely from the trade, which I lost the account. Okay, so the account went down massively, and not only that, I was also in a different trade. I was also in this trade here. Okay, so I was in the good profit, as you can see. I added another entry there, okay, which is good, and then I added also another entry there, okay, and this was good, and then started reversing against me. So this got down, this got down as well, and price is pretty much where we started at this point. So I was holding this trade all the way to the liquidity, but it didn't work. It didn't work out. Instead, price came here, bounced off, and then went up. Now, okay, so this is what went wrong. This one as well. So this is the trade I didn't do. I was looking for short as well, as you can actually see. So short from here, stop loss got hit, and I entered it on it again, and the price went down. And then my problem here is I was looking to go all the way down, but price reversed on me, and then pretty much I think I'm still in the trade. Maybe I don't know. This would have been a very good trade. Why? Because look at that. So price came all the way to this zone here. We have a change of character. Liquidity got taken out. This would have been a nice one. Retest again. Move on the downside. Stop loss below that. Target liquidity. Yeah, so 1:3. But I think I may have lost this trade. Why? Because I'll be going all the way down here. So I'll be. You can see trade will be sideways. Now this I was also on this trade. On this trade, I caught this move. I think from here maybe, and all the down. Very good down trades. Very nice profit as well. Very nice profit. Very nice profit. And then all the profit was gone. And then my stop loss got taken out. So this took my stop loss got taken out. So this took out my stop loss, which is not very good. Okay, so I'll just write it down here. The stop loss. So SL hit this one. This was mistrade. This one again hit my stop loss, went down and entered again, but this is a very small trade. Pounds, I was on pounds here, I was on pounds. Okay. Now what happened was, I think last night, price came in, retraced into it, instead of going up. Okay. So this would have been a nice move to the upside to take out all this liquidity much there, which pound did, and then afterward it just came crashing downwards. We formed like you tapped here, which is very good, and then I think I entered it long here. Yeah, I was doing London session, entered long here, got stopped out, of course. Price went all the way down. I think I was all out of the trade. Price came down to the 50% of the last week already, and then price went back up. So this would have been on the entry point, maybe here, and then going to target the opposing order block, which is around this point, 1:2. Yeah, but again, because I already lost so much already. I lost this trade, And oh, I was on silver as well. I was in silver. So this is the trade I was at before, and I lost this one, and then I entered again at one point. I entered before this massive dropped. Where was it? I think it was. I think I was here somewhere today. It was definitely today. Yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah, this is the move that I missed out completely down. Now I knew that's gonna go down because I already marked the zone here. Yeah, but got caught out in this nastiness there. Gold, gold. I was gold long and gold long, and then took me out here. So gold long took me out here. Okay, took me out here, and then you can actually see just it said to me Akuna Matata just going up without me. Now you can actually see this much low volume is still going up somewhere. Okay, Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I was a short Bitcoin, and this trade won overnight. Wow. Why is it dropping? Okay, so strategy 1 hour bought 2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. Experienced significant outflow, net outflow from institutional investors, leading to total outflow of this. Okay, so institution not getting out. Okay, okay, so look, 50-50. Okay, yeah. Well, crazy. Yeah, lost again, lost pretty much. Yeah, so the account, so pretty much out down the account. They're coming down. Oh, it's crazy, isn't it? So pretty much I'm having a headache now. I'm having a headache. I'm having a headache. So I've dealt with my account last Friday on my personal account. I was like thinking of taking the money out, and then well, well, I think I need to get rid of all that and start again, fresh. But my head is still throbbing. This could be a good short there. With all this liquidity that we're building up, we displace bill above. Look at that. Look at this move. Oh, this needs to be taken out. Wow. So we do have some sellers there. We do have some sellers. We do have sellers there. Okay, so we saw some institutional coming in. Interesting. Let me check this one then. Okay, still short this one. Ah, man, just crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Alright, so moving forward, what can I do to move forward? Drink some water. Alright, to move forward, what can I do? Oh, I don't know. Get rid of all this nonsense. Get rid of this. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, so in the daily time frame, we are going to support level. This is where we are very much at the support level. Now commercial's been adding longs while institutional and shorting. Now we do have a divergence. Convergence, I want to say. We came into the order block here. Okay. This is the order block as well, came deep into it. Trial time frame. So all of this order flow. The price, what we can see is we can see the price having a hard time to go out. So price having a hard time to go out. We're still in this range there. So price is trying to go maybe, because what we have is we came all the way down, close, we failed to close below, we displace above, fair value gap, okay, failed to close below this, and then we went all the way up to this point, which we have our order block, and then this is where we drop down massively. Okay, so what we can see is, I can see the following. I can see that we have, okay, so liquidity got taken out, of course. We have fair value gap there, which has been created, of course. Okay, and then fair value gap got respected, but there's no displacement on the other side, you can actually see. Okay, so price came down, came down, came up, down, came up, and then we're currently at this point here. At this point here. Interesting. Okay. Come on now. So all this liquidity. So this got taken out. So therefore we've got this here to be taken out, to take out. Or this take out. And then we got these move, which we can see on the lower time frame what we have. You can use this to find out. Volume profile, here we go. Volume profile is there. Okay, so she's red. Okay, so we do have something there. And the good thing is this one line up with 71%. Okay. So we got this range there. To here, you can see. So therefore, we got this range there. Oh, this is just liquidity. On the block. So my target, so pretty much coming to the market, and I was like, okay. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So if I go replay, like, okay. So coming to the market, this is what we have. This is what we have. Okay, wait. It's going to be London session. So okay, that's gone. Alright, so this is what we have. This is what we have now. We got rejected there, went down. Okay, so we have this order block on the downside. Okay, so with the blue. Okay, now if this is a strong high, then this low is going to be broken. So this is going to be pierce this, and then maybe I can wait for retest to enter for some sort of continuation. Okay, so well, let's see what we've got. Now price came in here. Then now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Now all this is Asian session, of course. So all this is Asian session. Let's take what we've got. Only go taken out. Okay. So this got taken out, of course. This got taken out, of course. Now let's see. Do we have any displacement on the upside? Okay. So now we have a closure above the upside. Okay, good. Now my move would be like, okay, from here to here, we have 50% there. Okay, so fair value gap. Let me see how it looks like on the lower higher time frame. We have a fair value gap there. Below, and then target will be this liquidity on top here. That will be the first one. Okay. Let's see what we got. So this would have been the entry there. Okay. Alright, so this was close. Okay. Now, let's take a look. So this is the trade I just did. Yes, I saw the overall picture earlier, but I've forgotten because I replayed. Now, so this would have been a good trade. Here we go. The question: why didn't this not work? Why do we? What happened here? So look, we came up, we took out this liquidity. Now looking at this, we're building this up. Okay, we're building this up. So we have this point, this point, this point. Fair enough. Okay. Now, if I use my session indicator, let me take a look what happened. So this is London session. So this is the London lows that have been created. Okay, fair enough. London lows. Okay, London highs there. Okay. So came. So look, came to this point. Then so New York session happened. Open up New York session, and then here is nearly 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. This way open 2 o'clock, and then that's why it fell down. Okay. Now we have this unmitigated week where sellers came into play. Okay. Now my question is, what's going on there? Okay. Alright. So this is where it is. The premium zone. So this is where it is. So now I want to move this to hourly. Let me see how it is hourly. Because what we have is, before this move, all we have is this. Is it because this is mitigated? Yeah, I mean, this is definitely mitigated there. So do you mean there are sellers there? Strange, strange, strange. Strange. All right. So trying to look at the volume and see why did this trade eventually last. So if I keep on playing, okay. So you can actually see pretty much both of the trade lost in this case, yeah. Now this means that the level of liquidity. So in this case, what happened was New York session went down to take liquidity on the downside. So all those liquidity here got taken out, including this low. So all these people that were buying this one got taken out. Okay. Now, so if I were to be conservative, then my move would be okay. This here, okay. This there, 1:4. Let's say even 4 here. Let's go for this one. Then in this case, I would have won this trade. Here, same target. In this case, going to be free. So if I did this, then today this would have been nice 7R in the session. But unfortunately, my bias was bearish, and I come with the market with a bias. So what I need to do is I need to react. I need to see what the market is doing. So market here was consolidating. We had a break on this move. We came down to mitigate this zone, and then we push up in this case. So we should be able to capture this move that goes up. Now also the other side of me is I want to capture the whole move, isn't it? If market is going all the way up, I want to capture the whole move. Okay, so I'll just leave this there because I want to know what went wrong. Now 3 o'clock, let's take a look. Do we have anything else in this case? So we have all this liquidity that got taken out. So mark this as liquidity got taken out. We tap into this, we wick below this, of course. Okay, okay, look at that. Now here we go. Now this is where we have the displacement. So we broke this move. So let me see, go on the higher time frame. We have a fair value gap there. We're going to enter off this fair value gap. Stop loss will be below this. And my target this time will be the same target. I'll keep this target there. Okay. Alright, so we are already into the trade. Price came back into it. Okay, and then we shot up in this case. Let's take a look. We shot up into this case. Now will we have any opportunity to scale in? So we've got 50% again here. Alright, so I'm hoping this will hold, and target will be the same. Target point there, 1:3, and where the other one? The other one was here. Here we go, 1:4. Let's take what we've got now. Okay, so this trade would have won. Okay, so this trade would have won. So we took out this move now. Okay, now what we expect to see is some retracement because we've taken this move out. Yeah, so price is indeed going up. Here we go. So instead, price kept pushing all the way up to our zone here, and this is where we're going to see the move on the downside coming in. Okay, and then we're going to be targeting this fair value gap down here again. So let's take a look on the lower time frame. Entry will be there, stop loss will be above that, DP will be here. So entry. Wait a minute. It's just, this is now. Oh yeah, this is the move code. I think price is gonna keep on going down. Yeah, it's interesting though, because also, because people looking to go short would be, people thinking go short would be going to, we're going to be eyeing this, would be like, okay, so we've got liquidity there. Price got liquidity. Targeting this low. Okay, now we're going to take this low out. So people will be getting out. So we took out this liquidity, entry, again price there, stop out, and then came here. Let's take out this low, which we did take out this low. So people shorting here would have won if we target this low. So this would have also been won. Okay, because this structure was also, yeah, but not to the extreme. Okay. Oh, I think that's it then. Okay, so price currently here now. Okay, price currently here. Alright, so my understanding is we are at this particular level now. And this is, I think, the 50. What level is this? Okay, 61%. Okay, now we're bouncing off the thing. Now we want to go bouncing off the percentage. Okay. Alright, so we'll see what happens. But in terms of selling pressure, we're going to be selling here when price take this out. We'll see how it reacted anyway. Okay, first of all, we have a strange character there. So what happened? Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Yeah. So this didn't work. This is not there yet. So this is there. This is one. Two trade lost. One trade won. Now since we took out liquidity, the price want to signal on the highs, but also Asia hours there as well. Okay. Okay, now 50% is there. So Monday 50% is there. Breakout level. Yeah, where this is Monday. Let's take a look. It's getting nearly to 40 minutes, so I think I'm going to stop it there then.